just made me this chicken salad before she went to work because I'm still like post-op. I still have to have my brace on and stuff, so it's hard for me to cook or do anything for myself. But I just have a big Smart Water with lemon and a nice chicken salad with like a ton of veggies. I've really been trying to like stay on my you know, health kick so that it helps me heal faster, and food is like medicine to me, so I've really just been using it to like heal my body, to get like, you know, fresh air. I don't know what it is though about my foot right now. I've been trying to look it up and like call the doctors, but it's so itchy. Like, I don't know if that's a sign of healing. I feel like I've heard that that is, but I don't know. It's like so, it feels like I have like a mosquito bite or like 5 of them on my foot. But besides that, I'm doing pretty well after surgery. I've just been trying to like stay outside, do things like that, and yeah. But I'm just gonna enjoy my salad. Hang out with my dog is right here. It's literally who I've been hanging out with. He likes the sun. Oh yeah, and then we got a tomato tree. I'll have to show you guys after. I got so many flowers, and we got some tomato trees, and we have a big peach tree right here. I can show you guys in a minute, but I love to sit under it throughout the day. I just feel like it's so like nice just to be under the shade, because we have an umbrella right here, but the sun is like peeking through, and I have SPF on, but I like to go under the shade. Oh my gosh, there's a huge bee at the door. I am like, how many days? 50, almost 3 weeks post-op. I can bend my knee to like a certain degree, like almost, I think 98 is what I get when I go to PT right now, which is pretty good for 3 weeks post-op. I'm gonna see if I can drive. My foot's so itchy. Here, like this whole spot of my left foot is so itchy. I know I keep saying it, but I can't stand it. Anyways, I was just saying, my mom had a facial today at 2, but she said she's running behind, like at the salon. One of the girls does it. So I'm gonna try and drive, but I don't really know how that's gonna go. I think it'll be fine. Like, I can take my brace off. I'm just gonna have to like put it back on after. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm just gonna eat my salad and enjoy the sun. Right, man? I'm in the car. I just wanted to document because I haven't. Oh my gosh. I probably shouldn't do this while I'm driving. Just really quick. I have not driven since before surgery, so this is like kind of a big deal. I'm working on celebrating my small wins, so I'm gonna check this off in my journal. And yeah, my knee doesn't hurt too bad. It's just a little bit like tight, like it feels a little bit different, you know, like different, not 100%, but I can like bend it, which is good, because I could essentially like drive to like small distances, like obviously not like an hour car ride, 45-minute car ride, but yeah, I'm so excited that I can like kind of capture this moment. But I know I'm in my bathing suit. I have a sweatshirt, but it's so hot. I was like, I'm gonna just put the windows down and like listen to some music. And yeah, it's so crazy how like for me driving is like something I look forward to right now, because I like just haven't been able to drive. So I just want to encourage anybody out here, or anyone who watches my channel, that like don't take things for granted. Just look at my situation. I was just thinking about this too. I know I'm not looking at the phone, but I'm driving, so but just look at my situation. Like, I really just want you to use my situation as like a blueprint, and like I don't want anyone to feel bad for me. I know I'm gonna get through this, and I know that this is just gonna make me like that much stronger. I mean, I'm already really strong as it is. I've been through like things that I never thought I'd have to like endure, but I mean, this is something that just like I don't know why I'm supposed to be this strong. I just was saying, I don't know like why I'm supposed to be this strong. I feel like it's just gonna help me as I get older, but I mean, I'll take it. So just look at the situation that I'm in with a torn ACL. I can't work out like I want to, and I'm still trying to create content. So it's kind of just something for you to like think about. Like if you are just like cruising by life and taking advantage of like the things that I struggle to do, like get up and go to the bathroom by myself. I really just hope that this can be like eye-opening for you, and you can kind of just like look at it as a different perspective and look at life as something that's like so precious and something you should just wake up and strive to do, like all of the things that you love, and just like make a big list of like your dream life and just like try to achieve it instead of just like cruising by life and letting each day pass. Like, I don't know, just starting with the little things and just like thanking God for so many like blessings and opportunities that you might have that you don't even notice that you do, and you just take advantage of them. And it doesn't mean that like you're a bad person at all or anything. I mean, I do the same thing. I completely took advantage of being able to like walk and stuff, like complaining that I like don't want to walk 5 minutes to the store, and now I literally like stare at people walking and I'm like, oh my God, I wish I could just like walk. But I know I'm getting there. But just some encouragement for you, and yeah, there's something in my eye. I should probably, alright, I'm gonna put my phone down. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see me, it's so dark, but I just got a facial. You can kind of see the glow. I will link all of the things that we did in the description, and yeah, but I got a chemical peel and a ton of things, so I will just put that in the description and talk to you guys a little bit after, but it was much needed, so I'm excited. Hi guys, so just got into my car. I just got back from the facial. I ended up getting microdermabrasion and a chemical peel, so it really just like helps with you know, textured skin, anti-aging, things like that. And it was like an 80-minute facial. I go to Jen from Bar Beauty at the salon that my mom works at, and she has like all different types of facials you guys can pick from, and I can leave all of her information in my description. But she does such a good job, and I love the products that she uses because I feel like it just like really cleans your skin, and it's just like really clean ingredients, and she like swears by it. She also has like the best skin, and I feel like it's like cool to see like an esthetician have like really nice skin, because it just shows like what they do works. Because she said she does like the exact same thing to her face as she just did to me, and we didn't really know what I needed when I first got in there. Also, my hair is so greasy. I was gonna have my mom wash it, but she didn't really have time, so I think I'm just gonna have her do it when we get home. I also need my roots done, but yeah, so we just did that. My skin is like glowing, and yeah, it's really nice. I have like no more texture as of right now, and one time I got dermaplaning. It is so hot in here. I have a bathing suit on under. I'm legit taking this off. One time I got dermaplaning, and it like feels really good like the first time you get it, I feel like, but for me at least, it kind of didn't make my I don't know, like it just, there were bumps around my skin, and I just like couldn't figure out if that was why. Maybe it wasn't, I don't know. I know some people like it, but we decided not to do that right now because I just like don't feel like even breaking out. And then she did high radio, or what is it, high radio frequency, I don't know. Ow. And she gave me this little gauze, because this little face sheet mask, because I have actually a frequency machine at my house, and it's just from Amazon, and you put this like over as a sheet, like you put it on the skin. This is what she did, and then you put the frequency over it on like a very low volume, and it really helps your skin. She says she does it like every day, or close to every day you can do it. And yeah, so that's been my day so far. I'm driving back home. It's so hot though right now, like I literally need to put the air conditioning on. I kind of don't want to put glasses on because I just got a facial, but I just put them on like this. These are so big. But yeah, I'm going home now, and yeah, I want to catch up on some YouTube videos, and I want to start editing this one. And I'm just gonna enjoy outside. I'm kind of hungry, so I want something to eat. And yeah, that's the plan. It's so nice out.
You wouldn't like that. I know.
No.
What are you doing for your color now?
I'm in my color done for sure. Just to do my roots.
I know, but what?
I don't know. Did you like?
I thought you wanted to go darker, not dark.
I don't know. Should I go darker or light?
Better for summer.
Yeah. The front is all blonde, and the back's all blonde, but like the center right here is kind of like darker because like I have.
Oh, that's so good.
I know. Because I have like dark. I want my water, but the bottle is. JetBlue is the best one to fly.
JetBlue, I think, is the only one that does direct to Florida.
They have.
From Bradley?
Yeah.
Where are you flying into? Miami?
Yeah.
Spirit has horrible Wi-Fi. Like you literally.
And you cannot
It's just like
overpack, Vanessa. It's a 5-day thing, and you're not spending all that money on a bag. It's ridiculous.
Anna Marie Polchi.
I do need.
Retu, vanessachiarella. Okay.
Make sure it's the right dates.
Saturday, are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, what?
July 1st. Okay. Complete booking.
So exciting.
Wait.
Loading.
Stay on top of the car.
What? Open the door. Yay! We're confirmed.
That's me.
She's gonna get the email, right?
Yeah.
Yay. Our first flight together.
I know. What the heck? It's a cute sweatshirt. Where is
Oh,
my?
thanks. I stole it
I
from
believe you guys are gonna be 21.
what?
an Airbnb.
You did?
Yeah.
No.
Because she'll be 21 right after you, right?
Yeah. Oh, I'm not even gonna be 21 over there. I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah.
It's not like we like do. I don't know.
Yeah. It's.
I literally
forgot
love it if I
crazy,
drink
but-
twice a year. That